Hey team, today we're at the Aquarium here in Virginia Beach. So what are we getting ready to do?
We are doing the Dolphin boat tour. You can load right here, which is just next door to the aquarium. So tickets are about $22 an adult, about $12 for kids. They do have some different discounts that are available too. They do 3 tours per day on the weekends. So here's our boat right here. We'll check back in and see what kind of wildlife we can spot.
Hey, so here we are inside the boat. It's a lot nicer than I thought it would have been. There's restrooms, there's even a little snack bar slash bar thing.
It is air conditioned inside too, so there is seating if you want to sit inside with lots of windows. There's of course outside seating that will be better viewing. So, but there's bathrooms in here. There's some snacks in here. It is concession stand items like soda and chips. So if you are hungry, make sure you eat before you come because it isn't really a lunch kind of thing. But it's nice. It's air conditioned, comfy seats, and food.
Hey guys, so normally I don't do straight up and down. I tend to do more landscape, but it's a very narrow walkway we're about to do, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the boat, starting with the inside, and then we're going to go out and all the way around. Here we go. For lack of a better term, the galley. They got the snack bar slash bar. Awesome, most necessities, and we just go all the way around here. So of course we have the ladies' restroom, we have the gentlemen's restroom, and the off-limits area. That's of course the captain's deck. So let me do a quick pan around here. Let's go out this way. We're going to go up and around the front of the boats. Oh, that is a heavy door. And of course you can bring your strollers if you want. That's great. Oh, holy cow, it's a heavy door. Alright. Oh, let's check out the front. And we, oh, pardon. I just got a snake by here, thank you. Of course this is Sea Adventures right here. And see a gorgeous view. Right behind y'all, excuse me. Pardon? I know those guys. Who's that right there? That's Mama, JJ, Jillian. Hi guys.
Hi, we just spotted our first wildlife. It's a bird over there in the water.
It's a waterfowl. That's foul. And of course, we are now full circle back to the tail end of the boat. Now, I apologize in advance if I don't know proper boating terms. I'm in the Army, I'm not in the Navy. Sorry, guys.
Do not place any children up on your shoulders while on board the boat, and please do not hang any children over the handrails. It's pretty calm here in the creek, but it'll be a little bit more exciting in the ocean today. So anytime you're standing and moving around the boat, we certainly advise that you use the handrails when standing and moving around to keep your balance. And again, parents, please make sure that your children stay safe and secure and within your sight at all times. We have staff.
Listen, you are free now to stand up and move around.
Hey guys, so here we are officially in the Atlantic Ocean. Check it out.
front of us also, I was seeing quite a few breaching in the distance. That means jumping completely out of the water, so do keep a lookout. We're kind of right smack in the middle of Dolphin Wonderland, where there are kind of dorsal fins and dolphins everywhere to be seen. Female dolphins are mature and typically have those first little ones between the ages of 7 and 10. The males are mature a little bit later, between the ages of 10 and 15. The average gestation period for a dolphin, or how long mom is pregnant with her little one, is about a year. And a female can have a calf every 3 to 6 years. Usually that baby will stay with mom until it's time for her to have her next one. And they typically nurse from her for about the first year to year and a half. 24 hours a day, averaging about every 20 minutes. So that completely is a tireless job for mom. Healthy adult dolphins in our area do have very few natural predators, so they have an excellent lifespan. Average lifespan for a male is going to be mid to late 30s, while the females live a little bit longer, early to mid 40s.
I saw it, Mom! Julian? I see that tail.
Most of the information that I'm providing for you guys comes directly from the Virginia Aquarium's own research. We do have that research and conservation division that want to make sure that we're learning as much as we can about these animals so that we can better help protect them. We have done age studies where we can look at a cross-section of a dolphin's tooth under a microscope, count the rings inside, very similar to how you would age a tree, and that's going to tell us the age of that individual animal. Oldest dolphin in our straining records was 48. It was a female. Oldest male was 35. We've also done a lot of reproductive studies since we have this nursery area here. So looking at when mom is coming here to have little ones, how frequently she has a calf, the characteristics of her as she's pregnant, as well as those of the calf as they age. In addition to that, we've done a stomach content analysis on stranded bottlenose dolphins. So looking at what's inside their stomach at the time of stranding. You can look at the ear bones from the fish as they don't digest very well, and tell you what species of fish they're consuming, as well as even the size of that. That's how I'm able to tell you that over 70% of their diet is made up of those fish in the drum family. All those studies combined actually lead to the most comprehensive natural history study of stranded bottlenose dolphins in the entire Northwest Atlantic Ocean. It's pretty crazy that we've been able to gather that amount of information and share it internationally. Alright, so dolphins galore still all around us. Lots of these little nursery groups. And the reason I'm calling it a nursery group is we know that dolphins in our area group according to your reproductive status.
So we hit the mother lode when it comes to dolphin watching. It's right here off Cape Henry. No. Yeah, it is Cape Henry. Okay, great. Cape Henry. So, of course, that's where the Cape Henry lighthouses are. And right along here is actually where the majority of the pods are. Great viewing, and if you're a service member, you can actually hang out at this beach just by using your ID card. So this is what I was talking about. Of course, Cape Henry's lighthouses. And right here is the majority of all of the dolphin activity, which is quite fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful view.
And then he swallows it full. I was wondering why it's not full. I told you that once they said that, I'm like, oh. Look at that.
Hey guys, so a good pro tip we received once you're out here actually taking pictures of the dolphins, especially if you have a smartphone, press and hold on the camera button so you can get the multiple shots. Usually around 7 you'll yield about 1 good photograph.
Well, the bigger whale that has teeth is a sperm whale. You'll notice he has a tiny little jaw. See that tiny little jaw?
Hey guys, Neptune or Poseidon. All right, so Sea Adventure boat trips, would you do it again, yes or no?
Absolutely, we had a great time. The trip totally took about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Wow.
There's restrooms on board like we had said previously, so that was really helpful. There is seating outside and inside, and the best part is we saw a ton of dolphins.
Yeah.
Tons of dolphins. Out at the Cape Henry Point where Fort Story is, it's actually a nursery area for dolphins, so we saw lots of moms and babies, little tiny babies that were born very, very recently, plus
So cute.
more mature babies and some adolescents. So tons and tons of dolphins. We saw some brown pelicans that were diving into the water and scooping up fish. We really had a great time. So the staff was very, very knowledgeable. They actually were over the speaker with people from the aquarium that gave us lots and lots of information about dolphins and how they breed, what they eat, how big they are. So
Yeah, and
it
a lot
was,
of attention for being, for at least spent on us, for being such a full boat.
Yeah, so it's not a huge tour, so it did feel small enough to be able to get lots and lots of information. So we had a great time, loved it, would totally do it again, and highly recommend it if you're in the Virginia Beach area.
All right, guys, so this is what we get. We get a Sea Adventures Virginia Beach picture, little booklet with, of course, their mission, a couple more pictures on our end, and of course this cute little guy. And because they're also Mickey fans, you get your hidden Mickey of the day. Love it.